Done all that I know to do, I lift my friend to you. Complicated circumstances have clouded his views. Lord, I lift my friend up to you. I fear that I won't have the words that he needs to hear. I pray for your wisdom, oh God, and a heart that's sincere. Lord, I lift my friend up to you.
Lord, I lift my friend to you, my best friend in the world. I know he means much more to you. I want so much to help him, but this is something he has to do. Oh Lord, I lift my friend up to you. 'Cause there's a way that seems so right to him, but you know where that leads. He's becoming a puppet of the world, too blind